Hey there, how's it going? This is Ash from Pitch Profits. If you were trying to figure out how to add metapixel base code and metapixel conversion codes for standard events on your Unbounce landing page, then this is the video for you. If you are struggling to try and figure out how to claim your assets onto Meta Business Suite and how to create a pixel in the first place, please do click on the links in the description below to find those videos that will help you out. In this video, we're going to focus on adding your metapixel base code and the standard event codes onto your Unbounce landing pages. And this is how you go about it. Inside your Meta Business Suite, you get to the actual brand that you're trying to work with while you're trying to run campaigns and associate them to relevant landing pages. So I have several brands here. I'm going to pick the example of Fetch Profits so you can follow along. On the left side panel of your Meta Business Suite, you will find All Tools. Click on All Tools and you will find Events Manager, usually found under Advertise tab, unless Meta goes its own way and changes things around. Look for Events Manager and click on it. Once you get to the Events Manager page and look to the top right panel where you see your brand and your associated pixel with it. So I'm going to take this example of Fetch Profits here. I'm going to click on Fetch Profits pixel in the top right corner in the hyperlink format. If you click on that, in this case, we are looking at Fetch Profits pixel. Click on it and make sure that you're on that pixel. And here, all you need to do to find the metapixel base code is to click on Add Events, click on Add New Integration, click on Metapixel, and click on Setup. Here you will be presented with 4 options. You need to choose Manually Add Code to your website and click on Setup. This is where you'll get the option to copy your code manually. Remember that to do this with Unbounce, you will need to copy this code and place them manually in several sections of your landing pages, which I will share with you in a short moment. Please stay till the end. So all you need to do now is copy code here. And now you need to paste this base code to your website. Now inside your Unbounce landing page, which you can see on the screen, on the bottom left corner, you will find a tab called JavaScripts. Click on JavaScripts. Click on Add New JavaScript. If you haven't added any JavaScript before, it will show you a JavaScript 1. So you can add a metapixel base code here and be sure to add it in the head section where it says placement on your Unbounce option here. And this metapixel base code should go on all pages associated with each landing page, which I'll show you in a moment. And this is where you'll copy and paste your metapixel base code. On the bottom right corner, you have an option called Done. Click on it and you are done with the first part of your metapixel base code. And you will see that metapixel base code has been added to this particular page as a script. The next step is to now add an event snippet code, also called as a confirmation snippet code or an event snippet code, to your confirmation dialog box that shows up on Unbounce, especially if you're using the Unbounce forms. And if somebody fills up this form, they go to this form confirmation dialog page, which is what signifies for Unbounce that this particular lead has been converted. This also signifies to Facebook, if you were running a paid ad campaign, that a conversion has happened on Unbounce. And to track this, you need to make sure that you repeat the same process, but this time you're going to do it twice. The first time you're going to add a metapixel base code, which is going to be the same thing that you did previously for the main landing page, which is to create a JavaScript. You're going to call it metapixel base code and you place it in the head section. And this is the same metapixel base code that we've copied from the previous step. Click on Done and click on Save. This part should be done. After that, you come back to JavaScripts. Click on Add New JavaScript. Add something like Standard Event Tracking. You could also rename it as Lead Tracking, however you want to name it. And then you're going to place this after body tag, paste the pixel as it were. And here, if you look into the pixel, you have certain default tracking codes such as FBQ init and FBQ track page view. By default, your metapixel base code is actually tracking page views on every single page that people land on. What you're going to do now is copy this particular last item on row 12 that says FBQ track page view. Enter. If you want, you can enter once more and add and paste it there, but change the page view to something like lead if you were tracking leads. All of these codes are available in the standard events that Facebook provides for you, and I'll add a link for that in the description below. For now, let's keep it simple and let's track only leads generated out of our campaigns. And here on a form confirmation dialog, also called as a thank you page, you will add a snippet of code that goes by FBQ, track, lead, and these are available for you in the link in the description below. All you need to do is add this part. Remember that this particular piece of code that is altered, placed after body tag, and created as a separate JavaScript here in your Unbounce. So after you're done, click on done. Please don't forget to go to the top right corner, save and republish your pages. What you did here will also apply to the mobile landing page version of your Unbounce page. So remember that you're placing your metapixel code on all pages, including the thank you page or the form confirmation dialog page. The only thing you're doing extra is add another JavaScript code to your form confirmation dialog or the thank you page. You are naming it as something like lead tracking. You're pasting your metapixel based code there, but you're adding a small snippet of JavaScript code that goes by something like FBQ, track, lead to that particular base metapixel code to ensure that you have your event tracking set up right, especially for Facebook ad campaigns that you will run, directing people to visit your new landing pages. And hence, if any event happens here on your landing page and they go to this particular thank you page, that event is tracked by both Unbounce and your Facebook campaigns. That shows up in your conversions tab when you run your Facebook ad campaigns. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.